Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to buy official Trump coin, Trump meme coin for beginners. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to any browser, type in SolScan, then click on the link that says SolScan Solana as well, and this is going to take you to this page. Here you'll have to search for official Trump and you can see this is official Trump token. You can copy this code that is available just right here. Now navigate to another page. So open a new tab and type in jup.ag, hit enter, and this will take you to your Jupiter AG page. Here, you'll have to basically click on connect wallet option at the top right of the screen. Now click on the phantom wallet icon. Now choose connect. As you can see, the wallet has been connected. You'll have to also make sure that you have installed phantom wallet extension. In order to do that, click on three-dotted icon. Now from this, simply choose extensions and you can see I have installed Phantom Wallet. In order to install it, simply click on get extensions for Microsoft Edge and here you'll have to search for Phantom. So install Phantom Wallet from this page and you'll be here where you can easily connect your Phantom Wallet to your Jupiter.ag. Now in this you'll have to simply choose this SOL option and search for Trump, choose official Trump and basically enter the amount of Trump coin that you want to get and you can easily click on the buy button here. So I don't have any funds, that's why it says insufficient USDC. You can also choose what type of coin you want to sell and get the Trump coin through which you can easily get it in your wallet. So that's the simple way through which you can buy official Trump coin. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.